Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your REALME C35. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write Firefox browser. And click on this app. Now press on the install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and start customizing it. You can change the theme from light to dark to automatic. Let's pick the dark one. From here you can also change the toolbar placement from bottom to top. And you can also change always on privacy settings from standard to strict. Let's keep the standard one. You can also sign up to other Firefox account to have the other Firefox browsers synced. You should read this privacy notice and start browsing the websites after everything's set up there. Now let's go to the Wikipedia, and it works properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.